Just want to first start off with this concept of mediocrity, right? I think that is such a powerful statement that you said, that people are stuck in this space of mediocrity, saying just getting by with life, just living life. Can you expand a little bit upon this?
Well, let's look at the nature. I think there's no better teacher than the nature, right? If you look at the nature, if you look at elephant will fully grow and become elephant. Lion will fully become lion. Rabbit, whatever the living species are, whether animals or birds or mammals or even trees, plants, they're also living. You see, all the trees will go to the maximum capacity of theirs. But it's only the human beings are the only species who has an option to be less than their own true potential. And why does that happen? It really shocks me that we say that we are at the top of the food chain, but yet we are so ignorant. Technologies has evolved, and we forget that this conditioning that we had from the education, then the society, then even somewhat even corporate system that we have, it just made us become like robot.